What's up, beautiful people? This is man Benjamin, and today I'm actually going to show you guys how I converted my manual creaser into a hot electric creaser. So, without wasting much time, I'm going to be turning my camera to show you the setup. Yes, so this is the setup here. I have an adapter, probably one of my adapters lying down fallow. So you can see from here it's a 5 volt 2 amp, you know, DC adapter, and here is a creaser, right? So you can see this is just more like a first prototype, you know. So it's so far so good. It has turned out well because it's functional, which I'm going to put it to test. Okay, so here is just the end of the cable stripped off, and you can see I have a Constantan wire, you know, like 4 passes around the edge of the creaser to kind of like transfer the heat. So if you're wondering what a Constantan wire is one of those thin wire you find in your elements, probably maybe in toasters or heaters. So you can actually find the piece of Constantan wire there. So you don't need much length, because the length also has effect with the current passing through it. So in terms of the resistance, you know, that's more more way down into the electricity line. So you don't need to crack your brain around it. So you just need barely 4 or 3 passes around the tip, and you are good to go. So I'm going to plug it now to the wall, and let's check it out. So you're probably going to plug it, and you leave it to heat up a little bit if you want to get the best result. So once it's heated up, you can try to use it and see how it works. Okay, so before now I've actually plugged it to warm up a little bit so that I don't waste your time in the video. So you check out how it's going to work. Okay, so with minimal effort, I'm actually just dragging through. You can see the crease lines showing clearly, and the plate is also warmed up. So a few passes, you can see the outcome, right? So in the next prototype, probably I'm going to make things more better, and I'll clean up the wrap up and make sure things are more packed up. Okay, so basically it's working. So that's it. Yeah, so that's how I basically converted the manual creaser. So if you like my videos, do well to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, from time to time I'll keep the videos coming. Okay, thank you.